Welcome back to MACMIMIC, where you can simply view, imitate, replicate and get on with your day. In this video we're going to remove the Wi-Fi icon from the macOS menu bar. Let's get straight into it. Because my iMac is always connected with a physical Ethernet cable to the network, I have disabled Wi-Fi because I simply never use it. I'd like to think it also saves some system resources and is more secure. When you disable Wi-Fi from the system settings, it will leave a disabled Wi-Fi icon in the menu bar. And there is no obvious way to remove it from there. But you can still do it, and I will show you two different methods. The first method is to press the Command key and while holding it, drag the Wi-Fi icon out of the menu bar. You can see the cross appearing, indicating it will be removed. Now let go of your mouse and keyboard and the icon is gone. Of course, you can always go back into system settings and enable or disable Wi-Fi there, but the icon is now gone. If you want it back, go into system settings and find Control Center. Then find Wi-Fi and select Show in menu bar from the list. This is also the second method of removing it from the menu bar. Just select Don't Show in menu bar. That's it. Hope it helped, and if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Until next time, bye!